Hey guys, welcome to our class. In today's class I'm going to show you guys how to go from this shot to this shot, and you'll be able to also create multiple angles of one shot, then figure out what exact shot you're going to use for the edit, then Upres that and process that to make it into a video. So let's go ahead and learn how to do that stuff.
This is going to be so much fun.
I know, right?
So we had to upres the video file using our application called Vision Enhancer, this one right here. So go ahead and run your file through Vision Enhancer.
This is going to be so much fun.
I know, right?
So basically, the quality,
Let's do it.
The faces are morphed.
This is going to be so much fun.
This one, the faces are morphed. So this is what I gave him.
This is going to be so much fun.
I know, right?
This is okay as this is just an idea of what what's possible, which is fine, but we do not want that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna navigate to this sequence. Then we're gonna import that one video that the director sent me. This is the one that sent me. This is the one that he sent me. So let me just put it here. This is Premiere, and we're gonna throw this back into Premiere. Keep existing. We're gonna keep that, and we're just gonna scale it up, scale to frame size. This is the situation that this is giving us. I'm going to get this shot, right? Take a screenshot of this. Start image number 1. That's that. It's gonna stay there. Then we're gonna go to the ladder 2. Alright, start and end, right? Boom. We're gonna upscale that image. Let's go to Aurora avatar. Okay, then we are going to bring in, let's just click upload. Let's bring in the start image. Let's see, edit with Nano Banana first. Do a cinematic content sheet. I'm gonna download this one, and I'm gonna download this one. Okay. All right, now we're gonna go to Clean01 Studio. So I generated now. So I need to make it real time. So let's just go ahead and download this. One more thing we're gonna do is bring back the. We're gonna just make that work. Okay. That's how you create content. Then you can just go in and throw it into your sequence or whatever, you know. I think the other thing that would be good is to be able to generate multiple within one platform, like sequenced, you know, generate more than one